Canva tutorial about pop art design. We are gonna choose our model, our design, in this case, this guy with a skateboard, and we are gonna remove the background with this tool. We need to duplicate this image at least 3 more times or 2 more times. Click right and duplicate, duplicate again, and one more time. Okay, now we need to change the color or the color filter of this for image. In this case, we're gonna go to edit and apply effects, duotone, and then we're gonna choose 4 colors. In my case, 4 basic colors: red, blue, yellow, and green. We need to put them in the same location. So we are gonna select all of them, click right, and align elements, center and middle. Now we are gonna cut them. We are gonna select the horizontal and vertical position and create our composition. As we have this little piece of foot here, we can duplicate the blue one and create a composition a little bit more interesting. Same with the yellow. Okay, this is our design with a pop art effect design for different colors. And even we can bring the background. We need to import the original image again, and then we are gonna remove the character with edit, Magic Studio, Magic Grab, and Canva will recognize this character. Select the character and grab. We're gonna remove it and put this image in the background with click right and save image as background. And then here we have our pop art design with Canva. Follow for more.